Hello guys, welcome to new video from the channel. This time we check how to change the cash number in jili777. And well, for doing this it's necessary to contact the customer support on Gcash. If you want to change the number or the name in jili, it's not good to do it there, so I think it's better to do it in a customer support center. How you can contact them if you wanna quickly response here? Well, you can go to the help center on Gcash. Here you can start. You can looking for an article if you want, but if not, just scroll down and let's go to the part that says contact us. Okay, just click here, and here you can see that there are many ways to contact the customer center. Here you can go to the browser, the help center that is with the article, or chat with Gigi. This is AI chat for support an agent, and this will give you the support with an agent, and that's how you can do it. Start using it, and you can go to chat and then this answer to you. Okay, so just wait for their response, and if you want more help, we'll contact you with an agent. And also you can go to call our hotline. So this is available from 8 to 5 p.m. If you need urgent assistance for 24 hours 7 days of the week, and scams, frauds, and lost or stolen phones. Okay, but if you want to change the name or the number, well, you can start going here and you can say that you want to change the number here, and this will answer automatically. And if you can do it, well, we contact you with an agent for solving the problem that you have on your page. Okay, so that's how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.